Striplox Universal Heavy Duty Connector Pro 55. This product is made from glass nylon. It is not plastic. It is UV treated and it also has a fire rating of UL 94. It's for use exterior and interior and can withstand temperatures of plus and minus 50 degrees centigrade. This product is rather unique due to the fact the lugs are all at different angles so that it actually matches into the female component and they fit very tightly and strong. The size of this product is 4.8 inches long or 126 millimeters long. It is 1.8 inches wide or 45 millimeters wide. When you combine the two components, the thickness of the two components is half an inch or 12.5 millimeters. I want to talk to you about the positioning of this product. All of the Striplox products have a number of notches. On this particular product, it has notches on the side, either side of the product, to do our horizontal plane. It also has a notch at the top and at the bottom to do our vertical planes. You'll also notice that the holes are actually elongated. The reason for them being elongated is that will allow for a small amount of movement for alignment at assembly. We use a size 8 countersunk screw. Obviously the depth of the screw is determined by the object or the project that you are fixing. This product is also permanent or reusable. On the female part there's a locking tab just up in this position just here. If I leave that locking tab in place and I slide my other component onto it, that means it is permanent. If I know the object needs to be removed at a later date, you can simply remove this locking tab just with a screwdriver or a knife. As simple as just like that, and then remove it with your finger. This now means that the product is detachable. Mounting positions for the Striplox Pro 55 can be in the vertical plane, the horizontal plane, the undermount plane, or a bottom mount plane. You can surface mount it, or you can recess the product in. All of the reset information is on our PDF on our assembly guide. Or if you have a CNC machine, we offer a 2D DXF file for all of this routing and screw positions. The load capacity of the Striplox Pro 55 is extremely strong. When the male and the female interact together in the downwards horizontal plane, coming downwards at shear weight, this will be 440 pounds, 200 kgs. If we're going to use this in the horizontal plane, from here to there and slide closed, in horizontal shear will hold 440 pounds and 200 kgs. In the pull out or downwards pulled out, the Striplox Pro 55 will hold 233 pounds or 106 kgs. All of these load capacities are to be used as a guide and a guide only. It will also depend on your screw size and what you are actually fixing into. And finally, a quick few tips on using the Universal Heavy Duty Connector Pro 55. When we're putting our two objects together, all we need to do is we need to put the male into the female into the last lug. From that position there, and sliding it down, moving it 16 millimeters, or sliding it horizontally, moving it in, putting it into the last lug, and sliding it 16 millimeters. For alignment, we can use the Striplox template or the mark out positions. Or the most important product I believe we've got is don't forget to use the mark out jigs. Enjoy using Striplox.